Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So I've just posted a video about Gemini AI now being able to answer complex questions with 3D models and visualizations. I'll leave the video for that link down below and in the end screen, because we had a look at a bit of a hands-on with that. And now to let you know about another update that Google has made to Gemini. Now a bit of a recap quickly. Last month, as I posted, Google introduced Lyria 3 Pro in Google Gemini. So that would be the app and also the online version, the desktop version. Now I'll leave the video for that link down below and in the end screen as well, because we had a look at a hands-on with that. So if you want more information, go check out that video for Lyria 3 Pro information. But just to let you know now that recently Google has announced that more users now can create longer tracks with Lyria 3 Pro, because it now allows you to create tracks up to 3 minutes long, where previously you could only create a track for 30 seconds, which wasn't optimal, because if you want to create a full-length song, you need at least, I would say, 3 minutes. So I do think if you are using this feature, it is a nice move in the right direction. So quick recap how this will all work is you can head to your Tools menu, and here you'll see Create Music, or if we X out of that, you will see the shortcut suggestion here, Create Music. And you can obviously describe your track. I'm just going to use one of the suggestions and the examples given. And then what you need to do, though, to get the full-length track is you need to change it to thinking solves complex problems, else you're not going to get the full-length track, the 3 minutes, or as close to 3 minutes as possible. So just take note of that. And then I'm just going to submit that, and that'll take a couple of seconds to generate that. So I'm just going to skip to the end as to not draw this out. And there we go. So here we can see it says, I've composed a grand cinematic orchestral score to capture the energy of an epic chase across the fields and deserts. So, and you will notice that it says 2 minutes and 54 seconds in length, where as mentioned previously, we only got 30 seconds. So that's more like a full track now. So I do think that's a nice move in the right direction. And if you want more information about this, just go check the previous video out. It will be linked. So that's just a quick hands-on, just as a quick recap how this all works. Remember, you need to use thinking. And when you use thinking, it will then generate a track as close to 3 minutes or up to 3 minutes. And just take note, though, that Google says Lyria 3 Pro music generation in Gemini is currently available globally, supporting languages such as English, Japanese, Korean, Hindi, Spanish, Portuguese, German, and French for users over the age of 18. And the availability is to Google Workspace customers and users with personal accounts, which I do think is nice, who are 18 years or older and signed into the Gemini app. So you need to be signed in to be able to use this functionality. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.